Hello everyone, I've got some good and bad news for you tonight. Let's start the video right with good news. Many Windows aficionados contacted me asking why is Copilot all of a sudden not supported in the region. And it wasn't just one person, so I decided to check for myself. And turns out I'm also ineligible for Microsoft Copilot. I can refresh and it's just telling me it's not available in my region. That's so weird. That's a peculiar set of events because there wasn't an announcement from Microsoft or really any public change to Microsoft Copilot that I know of. So I decided to dig deeper. Apparently, there is a Microsoft blog post from March 16th that was oddly enough left unnoticed, and it's called Sunsetting Microsoft Copilot. Did people really not care about this feature that bad? Anyway, they're announcing the end of support for Microsoft Copilot effective March 23rd, 2024. And they're also saying that Microsoft 365 Copilot for Business will continue to receive updates and support as usual. So my guess is that they're making the Copilot feature enterprise only. They're essentially putting it behind a paywall. And I guess that kind of makes sense to some extent. GPT-4 is paid, and OpenAI is essentially Microsoft's subsidiary. So it's understandable if the head follows the body. Not that it's going to be missed or anything. Like, I don't think I've ever used Copilot in my life. I don't think I used it once. I resorted to going to ChatGPT and generating something for me. And actually, I shared this on Twitter. As you can see, it got quite a bit of traction. So it's kind of weird that mainstream media outlets didn't pick up on it before me. So yeah. The blog post also states that after careful evaluation, we have made the difficult decision to sunset Copilot and direct our efforts towards other strategic endeavors that align more closely with our long-term vision. This line is really ambiguous. I can't really tell what they're trying to say here. I assume it's just it's no longer profitable for them to host Copilot for free, since they've essentially acquired OpenAI. That's just my guess, and my guess is basically as good as yours. But awesome news. Some people are speculating the reason for putting Copilot behind the paywall is actually a class action lawsuit. The artists presumably filed a lawsuit against Microsoft because their AI model started taking away their jobs. Isn't that crazy? Never knew I would live to see this happen. This is just absurd. But it is how it is, and it seems like the Copilot era is over, and the service is no longer available in any region of the world. So yeah, Copilot is now sunset. That's all for good news. And the bad news, I'm sorry to break it to you, it's the 1st of April. I don't know, trick your friends or something. That's all I have to say, really. Thanks for watching, and take care.